Hello all you beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is going to be very interesting, and please don't mind the background noise because it's raining torrentially. So today's video, it's going to be about sugar haul, and recently there was an offer going on in sugar, so that's why I bought this, and I got this golden bag also. Just see how beautiful it is. This beige bag from Sugar. I got this from Sugar, and I have a lot of things inside it, so I'm going to show you all those things which I have bought from Sugar. So without further ado, let's start with the video. So the first one is from Sugar, and this is the entire haul is from Sugar, and this is their mini lipsticks. It comes in this sort of a packaging, which is very nice and very handy. If you're going out somewhere, you can definitely carry the small, your makeup items in these in this packaging. So yes, I'll open it, and it opens to reveal this sort of a packaging where you have 4 mini lipsticks from Sugar, and these were actually those lipsticks which you could choose and customize the lip shades according to your own personal choices. So you could pick out any 4 lipsticks, and I have with me shade number 021425 and 10. So the first shade, which is it's 02, and I'll definitely come up with a lipstick swatch video of all the Sugar lipsticks which I have. So this is very tiny. Don't get confused. In their official website, it actually shows that it looks bigger, but it's very tiny. Just this is the size of it. Okay, so don't get confused. It's very small, as you can see. So this is the first one, and this is the shade 02, and this is Brink of Pink. This is a beautiful pink shade, and I really like this. So this is the color, and it is very pretty pink shade. The next shade which I have, it is 14. This is Teak Mystique. This is a, as I have already told you in my previous lip swatch videos, that Sugar products, they are actually these Sugar matte liquid lipsticks. They are very matte. They are totally drying and completely matte formula they have. So this is the Teak Mystique 14. This is also a very nice color, and I really like this color. The next shade which I have, again, it is 25. This is very mulberry. So I'll show you this color and you judge it for yourself. So this is the color. I really like this color, and it really, the payoff of all these pigments is awesome. I really enjoy applying these lipsticks. So the next shade which I have, it is 10, and this is Drop Dead Red, and this is also a very beautiful red color. I really like this color. This is a beautiful color. This is a bit brownish reddish sort of a color. I really like this. So as I already said, that I'll definitely come up with lipstick swatches of all the Sugar mini lipsticks which I have, and okay, so that will be another video, so stay tuned for that. Now the next thing which I have, so this is done and dusted. So this is the Sugar mini lipstick matte. This is matte as hell, you know, and it is beautiful color pigmentation and beautiful formula. I really like this. So this is the Sugar mini. So the next product which I have, this is a sheet mask from Sugar, and this is their Aquaholic Water Boost sheet mask. This is a beautiful sheet mask. I have used this before, and I really like the outcome of this. So I will highly recommend, please try this. The next product which I have, it is another lipstick, and it is this one. This is LA Woods, and this is, the shade is LA Woods. And this is a beautiful brown nude, and I am already wearing this lipstick, if you can see. So yes, this is a beautiful lipstick. I really like the formula of this lipstick. It is not drying, but it is matte. These lipsticks, they do transfer, if you're having something oily or you're eating something which has oil, this it does transfer, but otherwise the color, the formula, everything is beautiful. Now the next product which I have from Sugar, it is their illuminating moisturizer. Oh my goodness, I am in love with this moisturizer. This is how it looks, and it comes in this sort of a packaging. This is the shade Gold Digging, and it is a beautiful moisturizer. It gives a beautiful illuminating finish to your skin, and I am in love with this moisturizer. So I don't know how much the camera will be able to capture or not, but it has a beautiful sheen, so I really like this moisturizer. So this is a must try. If you want to try out Sugar moisturizers or Sugar skincare products, then this moisturizer will be your holy grail for all the people who are starting out skincare. Another lipstick I got from Sugar, and that is this one. This is Sweet Secret Matte Lip Color. This is in the shade Taffeta Terracotta, and I was actually seeing a lot of ads on this, so I really wanted to put my hands on this. This is a beautiful brown shade, and I really like this color. So this is a dark brown shade. You just need one coat of it and you are done. So it's a beautiful shade. So Taffeta Terracotta 11, I think, 06. So definitely try this. Another shade which I have, this is again a mini lipstick and a liquid lipstick from Sugar. This is in the shade 08 Wine and Shine. This is a beautiful violet and pinkish, dark pinkish sort of a color. It is really good for a fair to medium skin tone. People can definitely try this. This is a beautiful color. This is in the shade, I repeat, Wine and Shine 08. So this is a must try from Sugar. If you don't want to purchase their big size, full size liquid lipsticks, then I would suggest that try these minis first, and then if you like the formula, if you feel you can wear it out, then you can go for the full size one. Product from Sugar, and this is their mascara. This mascara is very small, and but it's very handy. I'll just show you the wand. This is how it is, and it is really very pretty. I really like this mascara. Very good for pulling all your lashes together, and especially for your lower lashes as well. So this mascara, this is in the shade Black Beauty. This is Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara, and this is very pretty. Another product which I have from Sugar, this is their gel eyeliner. This is in the shade 01 Black Magic Woman. It comes like this, and it has a brush at the back. So the product is very dark. It is very black, and I really like the product. It's matte. I have not used it. I will use it someday in front of all of you. So I'm waiting for that. So yes, this one I have already tried this one before, so I know the pigmentation of this. This is very nice. So the last and the final product which I have from this range from Sugar, it is their Contour de Force palette. It comes in this sort of a packaging where you have a contour, a highlight, as well as a blush. This is their face palette. This is in the shade 01 Subtle Summit, and I really like this. These three things, you get a contour, you get a highlighting shade, and you get a blush. So if you are starting off, then you can definitely purchase this palette where you'll get all these three things together. And this is something which I really like. It's a beautiful colored highlighter, and the contour and the blush shade, everything is absolutely perfect. So I'll just swatch these three things for you all. And first, I'll take very light swatches. This is the contour. This is their highlight. Ooh, this is a blinding highlighter. I really like this. And this is their blush. So I have swatched it all in a very light hand, with a very light hand, and this is how the things look. So it's beautiful, trust me. This is a must buy from Sugar Cosmetics, at least. If you want something for you are getting three things for you know, the price of this and everything I'll mention in the description box below, so go and check that out. So yes, this is a very nice purchase. If you want to get something blush, highlight and a contour, then I would highly suggest go for Sugar's Contour de Force palette, and this shade is something which I liked, and this is the shade 01 Subtle Summit. So yes guys, that's all, and I have nothing else apart from all these. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you like this video, and until my next video, stay tuned. Bye bye, signing off, take care.